BINI performing with SB19 Gento cover Pure Gold Thanksgiving concert. Pasabog na performance from our P-pop SB19 and BINI. The crowd went wild talaga pagsasama ng BINI and SB19 on stage. Presenting BINI members Sheena, Gwen, Stacy, and Colette, and SB19 Justin, Ken, and Stel. Seeing two of the rising P-pop groups truly amazing together. Na gumawa ng sariling names sa showbiz and from humble beginnings. Mapapasigaw ka na lang habang pinapanood ang performance na ito. Sobrang ganda at astig seeing BINI with SB19. They both deserve recognition. Truly worldwide performance at mapaproud ka ng mga Pinoy ito. And here are the comments, so happy for BINI and SB19 collaboration together.